Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 特 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 特 特 very special. For example, 特别 especially, particular. Now check this sentence. It has been especially hot this summer. Especially. Hot. This summer.今年夏天特别热。今年夏天特别热。今年夏天。This summer 特别热。It has been especially hot this summer. 今年夏天特别热。特 in cursive. Very special. 特别 especially. It has been especially hot this summer. 今年夏天特别热。特 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 特. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.